You want me to throw it? Can I throw it, Murph? Hey, sit. Sit. Lay down. That's a good boy. Stay. You want it? Oh, I didn't throw it yet. Come back here. You want it? Come and get it. Murphy, can you sit? Sit. Lay down. Good boy. You like your new toy? Murphy. Can you say thank you to Enzo and Michelle? Hey, Murphy, I didn't throw it. Can you say thank you? Need water? Go get some.